Dave Portnoy, aka Mr. Diamond Hands, sold his position. And news about Nokia, AMC, and GameStop today in this video. Hi guys, my name is Elia and welcome to my channel. Subscribe, click that like button, and comment down below what you think about all of this situation. As we all know, February is a very important month for us for all hype stocks because after what happened last week, after all restrictions, after all limitations that Robinhood and other brokerages put in place, the future is very uncertain and nobody knows what's going to happen. Today, GameStop on February 2nd closed at $85 per share, AMC closed at $7.52 per share, and Nokia closed at $4.52 per share. And as we can see all day long, it was, we can call it a short ladder attack. Let me tell you what that is. But before I explain to you what short ladder attack is, just remind you, I'm not a financial advisor, I have no idea what I'm talking about, and just enjoy this video. So short ladder attack, it's when two or more companies are selling and buying stocks to push price down. So Company A and Company B. Company A trying to sell 10,000 stocks at $9 per share. Company B will buy this 10,000 stocks for the same amount. Then they will lower it for 10 cents and then Company A have to buy them 10 cents less. Then Company A sells this stocks for 10 cents less. Company B has to buy them and Company B has to sell them for 10 cents back. This is a kind of chain up. This is why it calls ladder. This is how they drive price down, and as you can see around 9:30 it was a huge volume for stocks and everything was sell, it was red, and the price just declined straight. And you can notice that GameStop, Nokia, and AMC, they're all going down around 9 o'clock, 9:30 when market opens. Another problem here is that still Robinhood and our platforms, they still have restriction and they limit the amount you can buy. Like for GameStop, I'm pretty sure right now Robinhood will allow you to buy one share. Well, guess what? Demand and supply, right? This is how price goes up or down. If there is no demand, well, let's put it this way. Demand is huge, but you cannot buy more than one share. And the biggest chunk from retail investors are in Robinhood. This is a big deal. This is a big problem for Robinhood and for retail investors in general. Volume for GameStop today was around 60 million shares, and this is a very low in comparison with last week when volume was 300 millions plus. For AMC, volume still was very high, around 500 million shares, but also Robinhood doesn't limit the opportunity to buy AMC that strict. I'm pretty sure that will allow you to buy 700 shares of AMC and 700 options of AMC. So it's much more than one share of GameStop. This is why the volume on AMC is still high, but check the volume around 9:30, 10 o'clock, and you can see that the sell-off was huge. And if you check RSI, which tells you if it's overbought or oversold, 70 plus, it means the stock is overbought, and if it's 30 below, it will tell you that stock is oversold. And AMC around 9:30 to 10:30, it was 18. So the RSI was at 18, which is oversold. And also the volume will show you that from 9:30 till 10:30, it was just the declining. Everybody was selling it, most likely hedge funds. Yep. The problem here is that it's very hard to prove, and even SEC won't prove it because sometimes it even includes companies from around the world, not even in the United States. With Nokia is the same situation. The volume is still high, around 150 million shares. On this Thursday, Nokia will announce earnings, and everybody is expecting them to be really, really good because Ericsson announced earnings last week and they were amazing. 5G niche is booming, it's going up. Nokia will get new contracts, Nokia is getting new licenses, so I'm pretty sure the earnings will be very good, and everybody is waiting. So around Nokia is a little bit different play, because it's not about short squeeze, it's not about Nokia going to the moon. Most likely the shares after earnings, if earnings especially will be good, it will go up, but it's a long-term company, and value of Nokia as a company, as a future of 5G, it's very, very big. So in the long term, I wouldn't sell Nokia, but again, don't expect make a lot of money on Nokia in a short term period. With AMC, it's another story. AMC is going down, the company is really, really in a bad situation. They're out of cash right now with Corona, nobody goes to the movies, and most likely it will be like that for at least a couple more years, because vaccination is going very slow. There are a lot of obstacles around, and who knows what's going to happen in 2021. Nobody knows yet. In other news, David Portnoy sold his position. And yes, everybody is so upset that he sold his positions, but come on guys, you cannot really blame on him. The guy put millions of dollars in Nokia, AMC and GameStop on the highest price. So if you invested $5,000, 50% hurts, but you lost only $2,500. If we're talking about Portnoy investing a couple millions, like he said, he never disclosed that total amount of shares he bought, but even if he did $1 million, losing more than 50%, that's more than $500,000. And again, I'm pretty sure that a lot of big investors probably sold their part, but you cannot blame them, because this is a really big money, and $700,000 in comparison with our $2,500 is a huge deal. But also Mark Cuban today spent a couple hours on Reddit explaining and answering questions, and he said if you can afford to hold these stocks, just hold it, because the battle isn't over and something is about to come. That's it guys, I don't have any other news. I'm holding the positions. I'm pretty sure that if we're gonna close above $10 for AMC this Friday, on Monday we can expect some AMC going up. And again, I hope Nokia will surprise us with really good earnings, and I hope the price will go up too. But long term, Nokia is a great deal. It's like a backup plan. Even if you bought in very high, just keep it, and in a couple of years it will make you money. With AMC, it's another problem. But again, if you can afford, like Mark Cuban said, just hold it. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you want to switch from Robinhood or other platforms to WeBull, just click the link below in my description and you will get 4 free stocks. Subscribe to this channel, click that like button, and comment down below your opinion about all this situation. I'm not sure how long this will last, but so far this week will be very interesting. Good luck guys, take care.